Hello, welcome back to another math algebra lesson. Today we're going to be moving on to multiplying and dividing integers. And in the following examples we're going to see how we are able to do the calculations. First thing we're going to recap on is our rule, where we had, if you remember from the previous lesson, when you have a positive and a negative number, you're always going to have a negative integer. And when you have two negatives combine together to form a positive. So with that in mind, let's look at these sums. 5 times negative 2. First of all, we just look at the calculation, 5 times 2, and we just do the simple math. 5 times 2 is 10. This is a positive 5, and this is a negative 2. Our rule says when we have a positive and a negative, we're going to have a negative. So this will be negative 10. Another example, if we had negative 5 times negative 2. Again, we just do the calculation, 5 times 2, which is 10. And we have two negatives, negative 5, negative 2. Our rule says two negatives make a positive. So this is going to be plus 10. We're not going to put the plus sign in front of it because it'll only be a negative if we have the minus sign in front of it. What about division? Well, it's the same thing with division. 10 divided by negative 2. We just do it straightforward. 10 divided by 2 is 5. And because we have a positive 10 here and a negative 2, positive and negative gives us a negative. So this is going to be negative 5. Another example, 25 divided by 5. That's negative, or let's make this negative 25 divided by negative 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. And here we have a negative and a negative. And the rule says a negative and a negative becomes a positive. So this will be plus 5.